A very good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson. Etuson, education for better tomorrow. If you believe in quality education, you are in the right platform. So what are you waiting for? Please download the app and enroll yourself. So now without wasting much time, let us start today's class. Are you all ready for that? Okay, so as you can see that we are going to learn chapter 2, that is linear equation in one variable. Correct students? So let us start. What you can see that is written there, it is illustration. So we will start the class with two realistic examples which we can find out in our day-to-day life, which will indicate you that how mathematics is important in daily life and how you can use the concept of linear equation in one variable in your day-to-day life. Okay, so I have taken this example. So this is my elder son Swaraj, and here comes my younger son Suchay. Don't wonder that I am going to explain you the family tree of mine. Not exactly. Why I have taken this example to make you realize that how we can use the concept here. So now my question is, just by seeing their pictures, can you tell me what is age of Swaraj and what is age of Suchay? Yeah, definitely we'll do some guesswork, and by looking at their pictures you can see, okay, the younger one is looking like a baby, maybe 1 year or 1.5 years or 1 year 8 months or so on and so forth, and the elder one maybe some 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, like that. It will keep on, some brainstorming will happen with you, correct or not, and you will be guessing something. You may not get a certain answer to it. Now let me give two hints so that you can get a better answer. Like Swaraj is 9 years older than Suchay. This is one hint, and another one is the sum of their age is 13 years. Okay, so now is this with these hints, now how you are going to find out the solution to this particular problem. So by trial and error method, if you will solve it, then you will take, okay, the baby, let the age of the baby be 1 year, then the older boy will be 1 plus 9 so that will be equal to, so suppose baby is Suchay is 1 year, Swaraj as he is 9 years older, he will be 10 years, and the summation is 11 years, hence the second condition is not satisfied, so this cannot be age. Right. So then you take 1.5, add 9 to it, then it becomes 10.5, and the summation is equal to 12. So the second condition is again not satisfied. Then you will go to 2, and this age of Swaraj will be 9 plus 2, that is 11. Now the summation is 13 years. Now the second hint is satisfied. So now you can tell that Swaraj is 11 years old and Suchay is 2 years old. So by using your trial and error method, you could find out solution to this problem. But is this possible in every case? Here the number was very small, so you could gauge it by taking different value for one age of one child, then you could find out the age of the other child also accordingly. But if the problem is like this, so I'm just erasing what I have written. Now coming to the second illustration. Here you have some amount of ball you can see here. So it's a combination of blue balls and white balls. So now I will ask you, can you tell me the number of blue balls and white balls in the lot? And I will give you this hint. Now the hint is the number of blue balls are 30 more than number of white balls, and the total number of balls are 100. Again, by using your trial and error method, you will start with 10. So let white balls is equal to 10. Then number of blue balls will be 10 plus 30, that is equal to 40. Then W plus B will be equal to 40 plus 10, that is 50, because you have to reach to 100. So you have number of choice. You can start with 15, right? 15, then it becomes 15 plus 30, so that becomes 45, and the summation is 60. So likewise you have to do for like take the values unless and until your summation becomes 100. Correct or not? So by this method, if you are good, definitely you may get the answer sometime, but it takes much time. Correct or not? So instead of doing all this tedious process, what we can do is we can implement the concept of linear equation in one variable to solve this problem. Correct or not? So let us solve this two realistic problem using our linear equation in one variable. Okay, children. So let us go to the first slide. Okay, so here we need to find out the age of the children. Okay, so I will start with let Suchai's age be X years. Okay, then Swaraj's age will be X plus 9. Correct? Now, sum of their age is how much? It is 13. And with in terms of your variable, it is x plus 9, that is equal to 2x plus 9. So now 2x plus 9 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 9. So x is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2 years. So Suchai is 2 years old. What about Swaraj? Swaraj is 2 plus 9, that is 11 years old. Correct or not? So this is how, by using your linear equation in one variable, you can find out the solution to this problem. So this kind of problem you get in your day-to-day life. Correct or not? Correct or not? Okay. So now let us go to the next problem, where we need to find out the number of blue balls and number of white balls. Okay. So how to start with? Similar process. Let number of white balls is equal to X. Then number of blue balls is equal to X plus 30. Now, total number of balls. Now, total number of balls. How much it will be? It is how much? X plus 30. Correct or not? Yeah. So that is equal to 2x plus 30. But you have a value for this. It is there in the hint. Right? So now 2x plus 30 is equal to how much? It is 100. Correct, students? Okay. So now what will be the value of 2x then? It is 100 minus 30. That is 70. So what is the value of x now? 70 divided by 2, that is 35. What is 35 now? 35 is number of white balls. So number of white balls is equal to 35. What about number of blue balls then? So number of blue balls will be equal to 35 plus 30. So it is equal to 65. It is equal to 65. Now 65 plus 35 is 100. Correct, children? So this is how we have used the concept of linear equation in one variable to solve such kind of problem. Now let us understand the different terminology that we use in linear equation in one variable. Okay, are you ready? Okay, chalo. So first we should understand what is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. So in this expression basically we use the unknown variables, constant and coefficient. All these terms I think you are acquainted with in the lower class. So this is a kind of revision for you. Correct or not? Okay. So बेसिकली अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जो होते हैं उसमें क्या क्या रहते हैं तुम्हारा वेरिएबल्स मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ व्हिच इज नॉट कांस्टेंट राइट कांस्टेंट मीन्स व्हाट इट्स एज अ फिक्स्ड वैल्यू वेरिएबल्स मीन्स व्हाट इट डजंट हैव एनी fixed value correct so it's keep on changing. And what about your algebraic operation? It may be addition, subtraction. So variables are indicated by symbols like x, y, z, a, b, c, so on and so forth. Okay, so here come some of the examples of your algebraic expression. What you can see, you have 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5, z plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1 and y plus y square. So all these are nothing but a representation of your algebraic expression. But what you can observe, none of them has a equality sign. Okay, none of them is having one equal sign in it. Okay, so in algebraic expression, you don't have any equal sign over it. If you have an equal sign, what it is called, we will discuss afterwards. So before that, let us define by taking one such example, what will be the variable, what is constant and all these stuffs. Okay, so I have taken this example, that is 2x minus 3. Now in this 2x minus 3, what are 2x minus 3 here? So here 2x minus 3 are nothing but are 1 terms of your algebraic expression. Correct or not? Okay. Now what is the variable here in this expression? So your variable is x. Correct? Your variable is x. Right? So the number which is multiplied to your variable is nothing but your coefficient. Correct? Now what about 3? 3 is your constant. 3 is constant. And what about this minus sign? This is your algebraic operation. This is your algebraic operation. Correct or not? So now you must be clear with the different terminology used in linear equation in one variable. So when in an expression there is only one variable involved, then that is called linear equation in one variable. Okay children? So now then comes what is equation. In the previous example, the numbers or the algebraic expression which I have shown, there was no equality sign in it. When there will be one equality sign, then that becomes the algebraic equation. So what is an equation? An algebraic equation is an equality involving variable. It has an equality sign. The expression on the left of the equality sign is the left hand side. The expression on the right of the equality sign is the right hand side. Okay. So let us understand. So here comes your one equation, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So like your previous example, what is x here? X is the variable. And here comes your equality sign. This is your equality sign. So hence it is called equation, and this equation, this part, that is 2x minus 3 is your LHS, and the constant 7 is in your RHS. Correct, children? So what you can observe that in this particular example which I have taken, the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. Such equations are known as linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay, children, I think your concept of linear equation in one variable is clear now. So now let us take some of the linear equations and solve it by considering what we have to do is we have to just taking the numbers to one side and the constant to the variables to the other side. We are going to find out the solution to it. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, so find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. It's very simple. Correct or not? So let us write down the equation as it is. So that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So that is 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. So what I will do is I will try to keep the variable to one side and the constant to the other side. So to make it, what I will do, it implies I will write 2x minus 3. If I write plus 3 here, so then this part becomes 0. Like minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. And here also I need to add. So adding, what I have done exactly is adding 3 both sides. Adding 3 to both sides. Otherwise, you just can transpose and you can just write down 2x is equal to, because minus 3 this side in the left hand side, when it goes to right hand side, it will be added. Very common fundamental, but I just to show you the steps I have used this. Directly also you can write that 2x is equal to, because we had written that which have linear expression on one side and numbers on the other side, we have to take the constant to one side and find out the solution to it. So 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3. So what I will get is 2x is equal to 10. Correct or not? So what will be the value of x then? So x is equal to 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5. Correct. So now if you want to check whether your solution is correct or no, so I am just checking it for you. Okay, it may be asked, it may not be asked. I am just trying to show you that this is the solution to this particular equation. So now I am checking it. So for checking, what I will do, I will put x is equal to 5. So if you put x is equal to 5, so the answer, so 2x minus 3 is nothing but equal to 2 into 5 minus 3. So answer is 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So now your whatever was there in the right hand side, the same number you are getting. So definitely the solution of x, so the solution of x is nothing but is equal to 5. Correct, children? So now let us go to the next problem, that is solve 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Same way we will do. So what I will write? So I will write 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. So 2y plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 4 minus 9. So अभी माइनस 9 क्यों किया है? अभी 9 को इधर से निकालना है, हमें हटाना है. तो इधर अगर माइनस 9 किए तो इधर माइनस 9. इसको हम डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू? 9 इधर पॉजिटिव है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, राइट हैंड साइड में आ जाएगा तो वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. सो 4 माइनस 9 डायरेक्टली भी तुम लोग लिख सकते हो. यू कैन गो फॉर दैट, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो 2y इज इक्वल टू योर द वैल्यू इज here 9 minus 9 is 0. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So what is the value of y? So y is equal to minus 5 by 2. So do you want to check your answer whether it is correct or not? So let us take. So 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 9. What is the answer? So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you get minus 5 plus 9, that is equal to 4. So the solution in this equation is y is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Correct? Very simple. Okay. And you have done earlier also. Okay. So now let us go to the next problem in which you have to solve this equation. And what is your equation? X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. So first I will write down the equation as such. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. It implies x by, so you are just transposing it, x by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So let us solve it and you will get minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2, which is nothing but you have a common denominator, that is 2, that is minus 8 divided by 2. So what is minus 8 by 2? That is minus 4. So what will be the answer? So x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12. If you want to check, definitely you can check by putting x is equal to minus 12. You want me to check it? So let us check. So check. So I am putting x is equal to minus 12. So minus 12 divided by 3 plus 5 by 2, as you have x by 3 plus 5 by 2. Okay, so let us, so minus 12 by 3 कितना होता है? It is minus 4 plus 5 by 2. अभी तुम्हारा कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर हो गया अब 2, तो माइनस 8 हो गया. माइनस 8 plus 5, that is minus 3 by 2. It is equal to your right hand side. Correct or not? Right hand side of the equation. So whatever the solution you have got for x is correct and x is equal to minus 12. So this is the answer to this particular equation. Now let us take one more example. So solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. So what we will do is we will take the variable to one side and the constant to the other side. So first let me write the equation as it is, that is 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. It implies 7x is equal to 15 by 4 minus 9. Correct children? I'll write in that manner, right? Okay. So it implies your 7x is equal to, so इसको solve कर लेते हैं अभी. 15 minus 4 into 9 कितना होता है? 36. करेक्ट है ना? 36 divided by 4. अभी 36 minus 15 कितना होता है? 65 हो गया तुम्हारा. 31 तो हो गया minus 21 divided by 4. So what will be the x value then? So x is equal to nothing but equal to 1 by 7 into minus 21 by 4. तो अभी ये 7 7 हो गया, 21 हो गया, तो आंसर इज minus 3 by 4. You want to check the answer? You can check. So put x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So minus 7 into minus 3 by 4. Let us check the answer now. That is equal to 15 by 4 plus, अभी माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस. सो ये इधर कितना हो गया? 7 इंटू 3 कितना? 21 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर कितना हुआ? 4. 15 plus 21, what is the value? 36. Correct or not? तो 36 divided by 4, what is the answer? 9. अभी ये 9 और 9 सेम हो गया ना? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड becomes equal to right hand side, right? With your value of x as minus 3 by 4. Correct or not? So whatever the solution you have got, it's correct. So x is equal to minus 3 by 4 in this problem. ठीक है बच्चों? Okay, so I think now you can solve this kind of small problems by using your linear equation in one variable concept, just by like transposing the things, that is, take the variables to one side, take the constant to one side, and try to find out the solution. Okay children, thank you so much for your patient hearing. Keep in touch. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Okay, please subscribe Etuson channel, and don't forget to download the app so that you can start studying with us regularly. Okay, take care. Bye.